what builds your social proof? Reviews and testimonials, but we'll not call them testimonials, we will call them success stories. Okay, so whoever has bought your product, services, online programs, it is very important for you to start building social proof, because this is the era of reviews. People buy looking at the reviews. So it is very important for you to have reviews. Very, very important that you start generating review from day one. Day one, I mean, from the beginning, even if you have 5 people, start taking their reviews. Start asking them to give you testimonials. And if they are not giving you testimonials, you have to make sure that you built it into your system or your online office. That's a strategy. Now, what I am sharing is a strategy, that collecting the testimonials in an automated manner where you don't have dependency on people to, hey, can you give me a video? Can you write a third? Can you? I have done. I mean, I have in my programs. There are many people who have benefited from my programs, and I was not capturing the testimonials. And when I actually was in need of testimonies, and I asked them that, can you send me a video of how the program has been benefited? Till date, I have received 0 videos like that. 0. Because people have their own things to do, they forget, because that's not their priority any longer. They have got what they wanted. Okay, so it is very important that you build in the testimonials, collecting the success stories in your offerings itself, on your website itself, on your YouTube video itself. Have a mechanism built in, direct them to direct them. See, for example, I have created this Google reviews for my digital programs, and it will be great that if you find that if you feel my program is, the session is benefiting you, it will be a great if you can go and give me a rating and comments as well. So simply rating makes no sense. Along, if you also add few words, then it becomes a genuine rating. Otherwise, people simply buy ratings, and that is the problem, right? When a lot of people understand how to use all these tools, they simply they simply go and take advantage. And honest, heart oriented people who have great products and services, and if you are one of them, and because you don't understand how to make sure that you build your credibility by reviews, success stories, testimonials, we are the people who struggle, right? So it is important to build in. You can take ideas from this. I have created a Google review page for my programs, and in just few months, I've got good reviews. So rating and reviews and reputation. Rating, reviews, and reputation. Rating and reviews will lead to your online reputation, and make sure from the very beginning you are capturing that. You have to build it into your website, or you have to build it in your online programs that you do. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you, I'm already doing that, like how I shared my review, because the topic was related. And if you feel that this program is helping you, this session is helping you, I would, it's like, what do you call, give and gain. It's time to give, right? Give is not necessarily in the form of buying the upsell or buying something. Your kind words, your learnings, your takeaways, which will inspire other people to learn, that it's also is a give. Okay, so now building social proof. So make sure, so how I make sure is, in my program, I keep on asking questions, and when people, I have my recording always on, and when people share something good about the program, I have a video editing team who takes out that review, and there are many reviews that we have collected over a period of time. Okay, because there are tools from which you can extract the reviews, but if the sessions are lengthy, then it is just to extract some 1 minute or 2 minute, it becomes very cumbersome process. So there are tools. One such tool that I use is Clidio, Clido. Clidio. It is a low cost video editing tool for people who are non-technical. Okay, $9 a month, but it's a good tool. Okay, so that is one thing. Now, so building social proof, very important, reviews, ratings, and reputation. because reviews and ratings will lead to reputation. Reviews in the form of text, or on your Facebook page, or if you have or your recorded success stories, okay, or and ratings. You can there is a tool called Trustpilot, okay, where you can Trustpilot you can use for ratings, but it is a paid tool. So the free one is the Google.